The first time I tried arroz con pollo, my dad told me how his grandmother used to make this dish for him. And it gave me an appreciation for more than just the flavors, but the history that it has. Arroz con pollo is the original farm-to-table dish. Whatever you have in your land, in your environment, that's what goes into this dish. Because we are here in America, adding dried cranberries is perfect to highlight the natural ingredients of the United States. Whenever my family makes this recipe, we always start by searing the chicken. It's just a great foundation of flavor. Add in very finely minced cranberries, toast rice, along with spices. Throw in chicken stock to allow all of those ingredients to marry together. Dried cranberries round out that beautiful savoriness with their sweet and tart flavor. A lot of times we think of cranberries as a Thanksgiving ingredient, and it is America's original superfruit, but they can be used year-round in so many different ways. Dried, frozen, sauces, juices. The Paloma is super popular all over Mexico, especially in Jalisco where tequila is made. For my take, I add cranberry juice because cranberries and grapefruit have such similar flavor and marry beautifully. At my restaurant, we're always about pushing the boundaries and expanding the borders of what Mexican food is. The sweet and fruity tartness of the cranberries pairs so well with the earthy flavors of the arroz con pollo.